Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Style and Shine. So guys, today I am with another review. So today's the review is all about your queries, like which you always have and which you always comment me. So it's like the how you can remove the acne scars or hyperpigmentation or skin disorders, uneven skin tone. So this is a product which has the all-in-one solution. So if you want to know more about it, you need to watch my video till the end, because I am going to tell you like how and when to use it and what are the key ingredients which helps to make you the flawless skins. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. And before reviewing this product, guys, I want to tell you, like, if you're watching my video for the very first time, then please do subscribe to my channel. So first, let me tell you from where you can purchase it. So you can get the cream from Amazon. I will provide the link in the description, so you can go ahead and buy this product, or any medical the store at your place. It's worth for rupees like for 650, and it's for 30 gram of the product. Now second thing, let me share you with my experience. Actually, this product was recommended to me by my doctor. So if you know me, or if you are my subscriber, you might know that I am in the process of skin improvement. So initially I had also reviewed about the product, that how you can get rid of acne by using two creams. And guys, I'll tell you, it 100% works, and I will provide the link of those the creams in the description box. So let me tell you. So this is the clear gel AP which I used to use in a daytime, and this is the another cream which I used to use at night. And I used to apply, what I used to do is that I'll apply these two creams only on the area where I have a pimple. And guys, I'll tell you, once you use it, you will find the results. Your acne will 100% will go off. And whenever you get an acne, you can apply these two creams. But guys, whatever the creams which I am going to tell you, this need to be used only after your doctor recommendation, or if you want to use it and just give it a try. So guys, I'll tell you that first you do a patch test, and then only you can use it. So these are the two creams from which you can get rid of the acne. And so after like using this cream, I got like no acne on my face. So you always have a question like how we can get rid of the hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tones. Like most of the things, this happens after once you get an acne. So after 1 month of course, after using these two creams, so my doctor gave me to use a Sabiglow. Basically what Sabiglow do is that it removes like hyperpigmentation, whatever the acne marks are there on your face. She also gave me an alternate cream, that is a D-malign cream, which I have also reviewed. I'll provide the link in the description, so you can go ahead and check that as well. So yeah, so my experience is like, she gave me for about 1 month to use Sabiglow and a D-malign cream. And she also told me like using this cream, you have to use a sunscreen, because what happens is there are some ingredients in Sabiglow and D-malign cream like kojic acid and etc. So what it makes what it does is like it takes away the upper layer of your skin, and a new skin comes on your face. That is, a new skin comes, like it grows up. So what happens is that in this process you may tend to get a sunburn or any redness on your face. So to avoid that, you need to use a thorough amount of sunscreen. So the best sunscreen which you need to use it, I will share the link in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that as well. Guys, I'm telling you, like you might have got a question like, oh my god, she's telling so many creams to use it. As this is the process, like if you go to any doctor, she will tell you this amount of cream, and this is the course that we have to go through it. Like first she will tell you she'll give you the creams to get rid of the acne, then she'll give you to remove the acne scars or the uneven skin tone. Now still today also I am in a screen process improvement. So yeah guys, so I'll further, if you want to know further more creams which to be used, so you need to subscribe to my channel and wait for my videos, like whenever I'll upload it. I will also going to upload a one video, like the whole package of my experience going through this the product, like whatever the creams she has recommended to me. So yeah, so coming to this back, so to this product, so today's review is all about the Sabi Glow. So what it does is it removes pigmentation, acne scars, uneven skin tone. Along with this cream, I have a very good experience. So it took about for me a 1 month to get the result. I had it had removed the whatever the marks which are there on your face, even the blemishes, or if you have an uneven skin tone as well. So this is how you can see on the screen. This is for how was my skin earlier, and this is how it's now. So as you can see the results on this image. Yeah. So now let me tell you like how to use it and what are the precautions to be taken while using this cream. See, doctor suggestion means that it's related to a medical kind of a thing. So it's very obvious that there are some certain kind of like chemicals used into it. So you need to be very careful about it. So what I do is, like how I apply is that I apply every alternate day this cream. Once I use the Sabi Glow, the alternate day I use a Dermaline cream. So while using this cream, you need to take just a pea size amount of it and apply thoroughly throughout your face. And this needs to be used in the evening, not at the daytime. So this is another precautions that you need to take. The second thing is that you should use it only after your doctor advice. The second thing is that if you use more than a month or without a doctor advice, or what happen will is that it will darken your skin, or you can find it other side effects as well, like burning or itching. So it's highly recommended you should use it after your doctor advice. So the fourth precaution you need to take is that you need to use the sunscreen, like I said before. And since it contains different ingredients like kojic acid or arbutin, etc., what actually it does, it removes the dead skin. So so the changes are there in your skin, and the chances are also like it might cause you like sunburn. So it's highly recommended from my side. You need to have to use a sunscreen. It's not that if you are in a skin improvement then and then only you have to use the sunscreen. No, not at all. If you not in the process of skin improvement, still I highly recommend it to you all to use a 30 plus SPF of sunscreen in your daily routine. So if you want to see the key ingredients about it, so it has a list of ingredients, as you can see. So yeah, now yeah guys, so this was all about it, and I think I have covered almost most of the thing. So if you have any queries, or if I have missed anything, so you can go ahead and check, go ahead and please comment in the comment section. I will be more happier to answer your queries. And guys, now you might be thinking that why this girl is not showing a texture. So guys, I have almost used up this cream and I can't show you right now. Yeah, so this is all about the Sabi Glow. It was a short review, so if I've missed anything, so you can please go ahead and comment. I will surely make sure that I will answer your questions. And yeah guys, so if you are in the process of skin improvement, then please do tell me what all the creams that you are using it, or if you want to me review more about any product, then I will definitely review about it. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always stay style and shine.